CATL. You know the name. They make batteries. Big batteries. For electric cars. In fact, they're the best at it. Top of the leaderboard, dominating the European market. How did they do it? Buckle up, petrol heads, we're about to find out. This is a story of ambition, technology, and a bit of good old-fashioned grit. CATL didn't just stumble into success. They had a plan, a need for speed, if you will. The goal? To be the biggest, baddest battery maker on the planet. But Europe? That's a tough crowd. Lots of rules, regulations, and competition fiercer than a pack of wolves fighting over the last scrap. Imagine CATL walking into a pub, a European pub, full of established rivals, skeptical glances, and a thick air of, "Who do you think you are?" That's what it was like. The challenge was enormous. Could they build trust? Could they crack the code of the European market? First things first, partnerships. You can't win a race without a car. And who makes cars? Big names like BMW, Mercedes, Volkswagen. CATL needed them on their side, so they brought their A-game. Cutting-edge tech, reliable supply, and a commitment to innovation. Building trust takes time. It's like building a supercar, piece by piece, bolt by bolt. CATL knew this. They didn't just want to sell batteries. They wanted to invest in Europe, create jobs, build factories, show they were serious, and innovate they did. They developed new battery technologies, made them cheaper, safer, and more efficient. They listened to what European car makers wanted, and they delivered. The result? CATL is now the battery king of Europe. So what can we learn from CATL's electric odyssey? Firstly, ambition is good. Aim for the top spot. Secondly, partnerships are key. Find the right people to work with. Thirdly, innovation is king. Never stop pushing the boundaries. CATL's story is an inspiration. It shows that with hard work, dedication, and a bit of ingenuity, anything is possible. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a sudden urge to drive an electric car. Fast.